Andrea, you've created a fantastic product that everyone can enjoy, gluten-free focaccia.
Yes, today we're gonna make a gluten-free garlic and herbs focaccia with the ricotta cheese, prawns, fried parsley, and some mozzarella.
Oh, Andrea, I love your passion. So this focaccia, it's perfect size for maybe one person or two people?
I will say for one person that is very hungry.
That's me. And you've got some garlic already on there.
Yeah, some garlic is already here. We're gonna put some soft ricotta straight on top. Look, this ricotta, so creamy. We spread all around.
Now, your pizza bases and focaccia, they're very unique. They're gluten-free, but tell me the process of making them.
The way that we make and stretch this pizza is exactly the same that you make in a normal pizza. Nothing changed. We put natural fermented dough, so it's at least 24 hours to 48 hours fermented before we cook it. So helps your digestions as well.
Fantastic. So ricotta's on, what's next?
Ricotta is on. Prawns. These nice prawns, nice and big. They're king prawns.
Yes, fantastic.
We just put 4 prawns. And now you can help me with just a little bit of cheese.
Okay, not too much.
Not too much.
So a little bit like that?
Yes.
A little bit more.
Just a little bit of extra virgin oil, and we put straight in the oven, 200 degrees for 4-5 minutes only.
Okay, very
and
fast.
after, we finish off our art with some special ingredients.
Sounds good. Mamma mia, Andrea, this looks so good. This is delicious as is, but you want to put a little special touch to it.
Yes, you can put a pinch of chili on top of 4 prawns.
Okay, a little chili. I love this because you can smell the prawns, but also garlic and prawns are best friends.
And now we finish our art with some fried parsley.
Oh, that's a nice little touch.
So we can get a little bit of crispiness to this focaccia when we eat it.
Wow, what a treat. A beautiful focaccia that everyone can enjoy because it's gluten-free. And I love the addition of the prawns and the ricotta, Andrea.
It's so easy to make that everyone can do at home. A beautiful gluten-free garlic and herbs focaccia with prawns, chili, and some ricotta.
Beautiful.